Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to organize app screen or app drawer in any Samsung device. If you're using any Samsung device and now you want to organize or customize your app screen, so let's see how can you do that. Just swipe up to access your app drawer, and here let's see how can we organize that. Here's some simple ways. The first way is that you just have to organize your app screen. You can see there are 4 apps missing, so I'm going to put 4 apps here. Just select 4 apps, then drag any one and let them here. That's how. And here there's a second way. You can easily create different folders like that. Just select the app and here put it on other app. So in this way you can easily create folder. Now just select multiple apps at the same time and then just tap on create folder option. It will automatically create a folder for your selected apps. There are some different ways. The second way is that you just have to put your screen in alphabetical order. Just tap on 3 dots here, then go for sort, then select alphabetical order. Now you have a one screen and you can easily access all your apps here. So that's how you can easily organize app screen or app drawer in any Samsung device. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.